We're doing part 2, Watch Dogs 2.
HMP Studios.
So let's just skip this. Let's go to settings. Okay. I don't want to get copyright claim like I did on my first video. I'm not going to take it down because it's part of the series. Gonna drive to HMP Studios. Anyways, yeah, pretty much. I have 2 copyright claims on, wow, on part 1 I have 2 copyright claims.
You guys thought that movie was gonna be good?
Well, yeah, sure. They're fun to laugh at.
Cool, you said.
Did I actually say cool? Here's what we know, Josh. Cyber Driver is shaped up to be $1 million cyber-tastrophe.
I know you're trying to get my goats with that word.
I don't want that, man. Keep your goats.
Why would Galilei allow their name to be sullied?
You mean cyberized?
You can keep trying, but it will never be funny to me.
I'm not gonna lie. If those scenes were what they chose for the trailer, yeah, the rest of it's gonna be jack shit. And why they chose to target DedSec is curious.
Well, Chicago was a big deal.
True. Anyway, don't worry. You and me are prowling the information highway to seek out our own cyber justice. Look, Josh, we're gonna have fun with this. And I promise I won't say cyber anymore.
You know, after this, the cyber world will never be the same.
Anyways. Whoa. Did you guys see that? What happened? Oh my god. What happened? That's so funny. How did that happen? I'm not proud, but I'm also not mad about that.
What the hell? Okay, that's it.
We gotta steal this car. Purple gorilla.
Nope.
Oh, yeah. Let's do this, guys. Oh my god, a taco truck. Let's go.
Whoa!
Hopefully we don't make the same mistake as we did before. I don't even know where we were. Let's go. Okay. We're in the tunnel. Die. Woohoo. There's nothing.
And there it is. Hook Motion Picture Studios.
Okay, let's do this. running from the hole. That's everybody running from. Are you running from me? Is it? Oh, I'm just gonna pet you.
What do you think about the current state of affairs?
If I do this, everybody will hate me, so I'm not going to. Thinking about it. Thinking about it. Thinking about it. Okay. I'm not gonna do it. It's just too mean.
I keep hoping they'll bring the car into this. Whoa. All
Move.
the stupid, inconsiderate.
That had to hurt.
You jerk.
I thought Cyber Driver was finished. Thought so too. Yeah.
Take it,
See? That's how it's done. Let's just get up here. Okay, we can't go that way.
I can
Oops.
call someone. Maybe I should call someone.
I ain't calling anybody. Gotta do that. See? That's what you gotta do. You just gotta shoot her and then she shuts up. Okay. I like how everybody's helping me out with my new YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Let's just take control of this.
Spread out.
Climax. Let's use this climax. Okay, let's sneak into here with the jumper, and let's go over here. By the way, I'm uploading so much on the first day just because it's my first day.
He gave us a slip. Come on, let's
I'm probably gonna upload twice tomorrow, maybe 3 times. Whoop.
Here we go.
Nice. The not so secret emails.
Doo-doo-doo-doo. Let's get up here. So that's how it's done. Okay. Let's walk in here. Let's pick you up.
Okay, guys, I'm in.
Hey guys, we have a spill at the Honey Wagon. Can you send somebody to clean up this mess?
Ready? Running like a maniac.
Who said you could be here?
Shh.
Little hacker got lost.
Power down.
Ah! What was that?
Hang on.
We're running out of organic fuel.
Wait,
Craft
what was
fuel.
that?
If you could please.
All right, come on, people. We got an intruder.
Control, we have a possible target in our area.
Dead sec sighted. Require additional hands.
No. They found me. I'm out. The stupid security guys.
I found it. We got the full script of Cyber Driver.
What about the car?
I don't think it's on site. We'll find it. I'm heading out now.
Move, you stupid idiot. Bye. have a wonderful time. I made a video on Black Ops 3. I died, and it was hilarious how
Hey
I died
guys,
3
I
times.
found an email that says the car is being delivered to a location, but doesn't say where or when.
On Black Ops
That's
3
okay.
Messenger.
I think I have a backup.
How can people keep buying this new Dawn bullshit?
We're loading. Thanks guys for all the support again. Let's just take a look what you guys commented while it loads. Okay, let's go check on. Let's see Watch Dogs. Did you guys comment? Hey, great stuff. If you need any free music for your content, come gander through the playlists I have. Who do you think they would improve your content? Okay. I'm just gonna call it back. Oh. Let's go. Do here. Oh, Cyber Driver. And yeah, the Chinese are after me.
Is that? Huh?
I'm gonna take my e-bike and let's go.
911. State the nature of your emergency. Help! There's a
Let's go. Let's take the stupid bike. Let's take the stupid e-bike. Doing wheelies. Look how slow it is. I want this El Camino. Let's take the Yeah, let's go. Oh. Bash, bash, bash. Move. It's my car now. Sorry.
Retro, feel like stealing some Primate intel?
You got something for me?
Let's go.
One of their lackeys in your neck of the woods. Hack them for what they've got, but make sure you don't get caught. You know how Primate do.
By the way, anybody willing to help me I want to get noticed, so I want to get subscribed. I want to get noticed by lots of people, so can just subscribe for a little while. I'm not asking you to, I just would like you to. I'm not like that guy's just like Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm just like, so I'm not one of these guys who's just like, hey guys, I'm back, subscribe to me. Oh yeah, we're gonna go over here, subscribe to me. No, I'm not like that, I'm asking if you would go. Like, I'm just saying, maybe you could. Anyways, let's get over here. Soon, this area will be packed. This area will be packed with cops. Let's jump out of my car. Sorry. Well, am I really sorry? I don't know. I didn't mean to click on this hack, but it just happened. I'm not gonna hack on. I just want to get this mission done.
Oh, Lord.
Ooh. So go.
If you want deets on where the car is at, better have something juicy for me.
Like Jimmy Siska and pop star Nelly Shire?
They are banging. I knew it. See, okay.
Consider it sent.
Sneaking around the town. Should I just should I sneak in? Ready? 3. Run!
Someone kick this kid out!
Control, be advised that a possible target or targets have been reported near your location.
Hey, don't make me.
Stay on him! He's wounded!
Oh,
Powering up. System check.
Sweet! Let's roll.
All units, we are in pursuit of a stolen vehicle from the movie studio.
We could really use some air support.
Dispatch to squad. Alert. Possible hostiles near your
I got him
location.
going this way. Head him off on the other
Sorry.
side.
I can't do that. I don't want copyright strike. Oh, man. Whoa.
You are not authorized to drive this vehicle.
Well, I'm authorizing myself,
This.
motherfucker. Wrench, you hear this? The car's talking.
This is a sick car. Just wait till I soup it up.
We've got a patrol car in pursuit of suspect.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Off the highway, move!
Dispatch, can you run a check? Is this a part of the movie?
There's a whole area, this part coming up when Lynch said something.
Your face is too dark for my sensors to read.
What? Bitch,
No,
I'm black and I'm
stop.
proud. Tell your sensors to calibrate that.
I have no reference for black.
I've been hit.
No, of course you don't.
We're going to head him off.
Keep your hands and feet inside the tornado at all times.
Hang on to your innards, Devin. Together, we will carve up the streets.
Wait, did you just say a line from the movie? Wrench, you hearing this?
I am one nitrous-jacked smart car.
Well, wait. Did you just say the car quoted the movie?
Yeah.
Units are en route to the suspect's location.
That is so meta.
Okay. Gotta escape these guys.
I got him going this way. Head him off on the other side.
Let's just see what HQ is. Let's see, am I near HQ? really don't know why you guys are damaging the car. Come on, come on, come on.
We're gonna try and block them off. Be advised, a patrol car has been dispatched after the suspect.
I start cut.
God damn it, he's gone off the road. Stop him. Use lethal force if you have to. Squad, we're gonna circle back and see if we can pick him up.
Okay, we're in here.
Stay out of my space.
Please.
Copy that. A patrol car is en route to the suspect. Suspect ditched the vehicle. We'll have a look around.
Comment and subscribe and like. One of those, I really don't care.
I'm
I
clear.
don't care if you. Oh, I kind of care.
On my way.
If you want to shout it, would you like a shout out? Just comment down below. Comment that I subscribed. Okay, let's go.
I am Devin Von Devin, and I am...
You are not Devin. Devin Von Devin is handsome and swarthy. You are not.
Oh, come on. I'm sure as hell swarthier than any dude named Von Devin. Damn,
God,
Silicon
look at
Valley
this.
couldn't hire one brother?
This is awesome.
My Galilei creators think of everything.
Yeah, maybe not everything.
911, what is your emergency?
Something happened. You guys need to come out here.
Hello?
Oh man, this car is something else.
Yeah, well, kudos to Galilee for getting the studio to pay for this lemon.
Lemon? Did you hear it? Never mind voice recognition. I mean, sure, it needs a smack upside of scripting, but it had cogent responses. Do you know how much work had to go into that? Galilee has been talking about machine learning for their Mars probe, but man, I didn't expect it to be as advanced as it... What? Oh, man. I know it.
I do not approve of you driving me, Marcus. You're not as swarthy as Devin Von Devin.
I knew it had too much smart ass to be smart.
Wow. Shiny and new.
So it wasn't responding at all?
Well, does that count?
Yeah, fuck you, man. Fuck you.
Okay, what's next? if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm just seeing if I can actually destroy the car. I can't. Okay, let's hit the car.
We have an alert on a possible felon near your location. Over.
Let's do this. Let's go. Vroom, vroom, I'm in me mom's car. Look at this hand. Hi, everybody.
Squad, the suspect's gone. We're not giving up yet.
Spread out. Keep looking.
Sorry, I couldn't edit the other video. I don't know if I said this, but I mean, as a copyright, please don't report it. I beg you. I like all the people that are trying to help me out. I really appreciate it. Am I going through over here? Yeah, okay.
Hey, you catch that? Don't. Hey, this guy shouldn't be here.
I need backup now! I have an alert on a possible target near your location. Over.
Shot fired!
911, please state the nature of your emergency. Hello? I think I've lost a call.
Hello! We need an ambulance here, right now!
This should come in handy.
Yes, it should. Let's take this vehicle.
Hey, Marcus, meet Wrench in the garage when you're ready.
Will do.
Marcus, Prime 8 got their hands on some of our data. They're getting away. You've got to move faster.
Yo, I'm on it.
Let's go, guys. Woo. Okay, guys. Driving down the street, guys. Going to a show. Let's
Squad,
drive.
we have alerts of a hostile in your area.
Woo! Okay, we're almost there. I've been planning on making this account in a long time. I'm planning to do this for like so many years, making a YouTube account. Now it's finally, my dream came true. If you're wondering why I'm not getting achievements, then it's because oh my God, this is cool. It's because I already beat the game.
Copy that, dispatch.
And I got almost all the achievements.
Hackers love a challenge.
Oh, copyright music.
Come on, Marcus. Jump in, baby. The water's fine. Are you Rocket?
No, copyright,
Okay,
copyright.
everything's set up. Ready? And set. Go!
Fucking jackass!
Sorry, I had to turn up.
You know what this needs? Atmosphere.
Step back, kiddies. I'm not your mommy's smart car.
Let's go. Woo. I love this car.
All units, we're in pursuit of a vehicle fitting the description of the cyber driver car. I repeat, fitting the description of the cyber driver car.
car.
Ah!
Man. Nice. Woo.
We're gonna mess with the cops.
Oh, man.
Is that the car from the movie? Dispatch to squad.
That's the cyber boat.
Suspect hostiles near your location.
But George, there's no driver in the car.
Oh, George, you need to get your eyes checked. Holy jumping frogs! There's no driver in that car!
It's so funny.
He's gotta be here. Doing another sweep. Over.
Jump the barge.
You think?
Totally doable. Just remember to boost the engine. Whoa!
Oops.
Squad suspect is swimming.
Hey, did he say squad suspect is swimming? Huh.
Okay, everything's set up. Ready? And set. Go! You know what this needs? Atmosphere.
Step back, kiddies. I'm not your mommy's smart car.
Crap. Audio. You know what? Let's just leave this on. I have an idea. See? That works. Woo!
All units, we're in pursuit of a vehicle fitting the description of the cyber driver car. I repeat, fitting the description of the cyber driver car.
Oh yeah, this is a cyber driver car. It has DedSec on it. I skipped the thing, but they said that was DedSec. Let's use the useless symbol.
Mess with the cops.
Oh, man.
Is that the car from the movie?
Yeah, squad, that's the cyber car.
Hostile in the area.
But George, there's no driver in the car.
Oh, George, you need to get your eyes checked. Holy jumping frogs! There's no driver in that car!
That's the first time I've ever messed up with this heavy gun.
You think?
Totally doable. Just remember to boost the engine.
Stop him. Use lethal force if you have to.
Whoa!
What the fuck?
Easy on the language there, Marcus.
Marcus.
We're on the news.
Already?
Fame won't change me.
Live on the scene, we're getting reports of the Cyber Driver car performing spectacular stunts around town. The one-of-a-kind car is drawing quite a crowd. It could be a marketing stunt for the upcoming release of action thriller Cyber Driver. We're able to get a closer look at the Cyber Driver car as it races through the city. And it seems that there's no driver.
No driver? That's so surprising.
Police are still in pursuit of the Cyber Driver car. Wait, what's that? Folks, we're seeing a logo on the car. It reads DedSec.
That's hella dope!
Woohoo!
Woo! Cool.
Whoa. I kind of don't know how we stopped there. How we just stopped, like crashing like that.
Galloway shouldn't have risked their reputation by dealing with the studio at all.
It's okay, Josh. You know why?
No, Satara. Why?
We're gonna hit him where it gigahertz.
Come on, drive, drive, drive. Bam! Bam, bam!
And now for the big finish.
Oh, the word.
That was sick. I think I gotta end it in a minute, guys.
Started out as just a trickle, then boom. The numbers haven't stopped climbing.
Are you watching?
That's the douche.
No.
That's douching.
It's like sadtube.com. A channel for sad people, am I right?
Mission complete. Well, guys, I'm gonna end it here. This is... You know who this is, right? This is the Try Hard Gamer here, and I like trying hard. Thanks for watching. I am a robot. Peace!